Um, Maskandi artist Sminofu changing his name to Smirara.
Smiramira, yes.
Smiramira.
Yeah.
Yes. Why was that?
Well, okay. I have it on good authority from his former record label boss that he's trying to get out of a contract. And he thought he could get out of the contract by changing his name so that he could release outside his contract on DistroKid.
Right.
And that's exactly what he's just done. But I have it on good authority that his label has asked all that Smiramira music to be taken down. Yeah.
So the music was taken down?
I haven't checked yet. I haven't
Wait.
seen.
So
Sminofu. His original name is Sminofu.
Sminofu,
Maskandi
yes.
as an
artist.
Sminofu,
yes.
Changed his name.
Yeah, he's not the first one to do that.
Who did it?
Master KG.
What to what?
He started trading as Juanito Amos.
Mm.
You can do it. But why delete all the music instead of make him forfeit the catalog?
Like, what do you mean?
Like he signs off whatever music that was made while he was with Ingabe Records. That's not a smart
He
move
wasn't
to
with
delete.
Ingabe.
He wasn't with Ngabi.
With who?
I don't know. He was with Ntokozo Mkhize's manager.
Justin Pilo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Why, but I'm saying, why not make him forfeit all royalties, bro? And the catalog, and then move on and give him the name and everything.
No, he was told he cannot release until he fulfills his contract
Contractual
with
duties.
Mpilo. You understand? And instead of fulfilling the contract with Mpilo, he decided to release under a new pseudonym, hoping that he could get away with it.
Okay.
I guess. You know what I mean?
Why couldn't he fulfill the contractual duties?
Like, I don't know. Like, either they had a disagreement about what, I mean,
It's him.
yeah, that's Sminofu.
Oh, that's him.
It is him.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And he's nominated as
As for the Metro FM Award.
Sminofu. And then
Best
you look,
Maskandi.
and he's nominated as Sminofu. And if you look at his
Sminofu.
latest release,
Yeah.
it's Smiramira. If you search for Smiramira,
Okay, I'll check now.
you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it's just messing up everything because Sminofu was already a successful name, successful brand. He's got monthly listeners on Spotify.
Yeah.
You understand? He's changing his name. He's doing a Caesar Elakine and losing all the, I don't know what was the reason for that. You know?
But it's also doing well.
Okay, how many monthly listeners does
Okay, but
Smiramira have?
not as good as obviously Sminofu.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So why would you now start from scratch? You're sabotaging yourself. You'll never be able to join those two profiles. You understand what I'm saying? Like he's just set himself back. And right now, I mean,
But
right now the top artist in Maskandi, most streamed album is Ntengan. You understand? I didn't do that on purpose.
yeah.
I'm tired of these puns.
So this new project he released it under,
Dude,
I think he
he
did it
needs
with
a break
DistroKid.
from puns.
but it's still the same label Lana as the previous as Sminofu. It's written heavy Maskandi Heavyweight X Empire, which the previous ones
Which
Sminofu
means
now.
that clearly they asked for a takedown and now they've brought it back under the...
Are majors also like a
Wow.
big thing in Maskandi music?
They're mostly on DistroKid in Maskandi music. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just look, Maskandi music is doing very well, especially on Spotify, right?
Yeah.
And almost none of the artists are signed to major labels. Most of them are on DistroKid, right? You don't hear them on any other radio stations other than Ukhozi FM. You don't hear Maskandi songs on Metro, on Pala Pala, on Munganalone, on Tobela, etc., right?
Yeah.
So it's a very small group of very loyal people that are
Their
attached to the
sound.
music
True.
because it represents their culture.
True.
And that's all it's about, you know. So it's a very well gate-kept space, right?
Don't just wake up in the morning and you are now a
But
Maskandi artist.
this song called Umangonda, it's been number one. It's been
But
in the
Uma-
top 10.
Makondana.
Uma
Yeah.
Onda.
It's been in the top 10 for a long time by Feza.
Yeah, Feza.
Yeah.
That's another artist again.
Yeah.
Now Feza is a new
That's
artist.
how I feel when you ask me to read in English.
You understand what I'm saying?
But Mafigizolo was also a new artist.
Mafigizolo is also another new artist. What I'm
Yeah.
trying to say is this. Sminofu, when he was releasing as Sminofu, was at the top of the charts.
Oh.
Usmiramira, that is releasing right now, is no longer at the top of the charts. But
yeah.
who's at the top of the charts? New artists that we didn't know of when Sminofu was hot. You understand? The song that got nominated for Sminofu is an old song from last year. His new songs, you know, they're not moving the same way. And although he might have fixed up the label situation. He's taken it off DistroKid. It's back under Empire. Now, the momentum is gone. And also, after you screw
Is he
over...
under Empire now?
He was always under Akira. The deal
Mpilo
was...
and then, yeah.
Mpilo's got deals everywhere. You know what I mean?
So, but he can go alone to Empire with a different name.
He can't because Empire has a deal with Mpilo.
And his ID is already at the Empire.
You understand what I'm saying? So the only way to do it was to come back under Mpilo, right? Fulfill the contract that needs to be fulfilled, and then maybe look at a pre-contract for after he's fulfilled his contract.
Gatekeep.
Lolu uhlelo iMusic Pulse beku music piano or beku piano pulse before base bala rebranda ke ngoba iMusic Pulse lu under iPodcast and Chill Network umnikazi wayo uMark G Mukwebo la bebekhuluma la ngicathi ludlala Monday ngabo 3 lapha de bekhuluma ke ngoSmiramira uSminofu ama-host akhona ke abonotha umafitsotho usifisa uThahi noMars lo muntu wesimama bekhuluma ngoSminofu indaba music kwakhe ukuthi ke why uphumile lapha ku online especially lapha ku YouTube. So unotha uyachaza ukuthi la ngokuzwa kwakhe ukuthi ikhampani le uSminofu akade esebenza kuyona uphumile kuyo wasefuna uSminofu ukuqhubeka asebenze eyedwa or asebenze nabantu abasha kodwa icontract ibinga expire ngokusho kukaNotha. So lokho kwenza ukuthi yena umusic wakhe be-apply lapha nakwa DistroKid ukuthi no lo muntu lona is still registered under ikhampani yethu okwenza ukuthi umusic kaSminofu or Smiramira ukhish because kusamele aqhubeke nezinto ivumelano azenze nekhampani yakhe. Lokho kwenza ukuthi ke kube nzima ngokusho kwabo kuthiwa ke kubulala ke umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi yena ashintshe igama as much as besamazi abantu as much as kunabantu abamdlalayo music wakhe uwenza kahle but ubesekhande ibrand ngegama lithi Sminofu ukushintsha sekumenza alose izinto eziningi including izinto azenzile before nabantu bemqasha based on uSminofu njengoba nje nominatiwe lapha na kwi-best maskandi hamanozi etsajula kamnandi ke unominated as uSminofu not uSmiramira. Yileyo ke i-challenge ke ekhona ke eyenzakalayo lapha na ke endimeni kamaskandi abakhuluma ngayo kodwa ke base bayakuveza ke nokuthi umaskandi uqhubha kahle as a genre especially abantu abanjengofeza nje kwingoma yakhe isahleli lapha ngokudlala kakhulu lapha ku YouTube mawuthi uyangena nje ku YouTube music uyabona lapha ufeza artist aphezulu ingoma yakhe ethi maqondana top 100 lokhu ikhona and ihleli phezulu ndiyahlalwa. So okwenza ukuthi umaskandi ke usebenze kahle kakhulu yizo kuyinkinga lezi zakhulumeka before noma ke engekho oke wavela ngakwi-brand kaSminofu yakudala ukuthi ke kuyiqiniso lokho kodwa ke amahebezi ke asho njalo ongaba into embi ke la ukuthi ke umsebenzi kaSminofu ulimale because uzolimala umsebenzi wakhe uzorecover yena okulokho asekwenzile abemazi eyikhona kuzolimala kakhulu kwesithembe ukuthi kodwa ke izinto ezinjengalezi zizosolveka. uSminofu is a big artist sonesikhathi eside sendimeni si-achievile a lot especially nge-album yakhe ethi yena i-Rush Hour naleya ethi yena ke ngazi ngijula ne-owner yabona ngisazi ihloko sakhona ewasenza kahle kakhulu kuyo yonke lo msebenzi leyo kodwa uma sekuzomela phinde aqale phansi kuzoba nzima kakhulu kodwa iwona ama-challenges ke laba omaskandi abaculi kwamanye amakhampani abahlala bebhekana nawo ama-contract abo amade abawasayinayo bewasayiniswa besafika ngoba umuntu usuke desperate efuna noma yini ezothatha noma yini. So kugcina kusayina ama-contract athize angamfavor cause ivumelwano lezi awukhona ukusi-review or uphinde futhi ufuna ukusishintsha in the middle of the contract. Kumele uqhubeke nalokho enanikhulume ngakho enanivumelane ngakho noma kungasakusebenzeli cause i-brand yakho esukusinkulu esukusikhulile ebesithi ikhampani cha thina sakuthola engekho umuntu ozokusayinisa sakunike i-chance sakumaketha sakukhanda wabe ile artist oyona ke namhlanje osuwaziwa ngayo osudume ngayo ebese ke kuba nenkinga ke lapha ukuthi uthona okukhulu kakhulu ngokomsebenzi wakho futhi ikhampani ayisafuni ukunegotiate or ikunike i-deal engcono ezokusupporta na ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ukumelana nempilo nezidingo zempilo ke. Kodwa ke okuningi ke ade bekhuluma ngakho ke kuthinta nje indaba zomculo. So okuningi esihle sikhuluma ngakho ke kule channel ukufundisa ukuthi ke izinto eziningi isebenza kanjani. Siyafisa nathi udingela ilanga sikwazi ukukhuluma izinto ezithinta ama-contract, khuluma ngama-royalties, khuluma nangosambro ukuthi kuregister kanjani, nanokuthi ama-contract la asuke esayinwa abaculi ke abavimbela kuphi, abavumela ukuthi benze ini, besebenze kanjani, including lapha abafeaturisha khona or befeaturishwa khona ukuthi lonto le ikhampani ke lento isezanja. Siyafisa ke nje ama-masters ukuthi ke asebenza kanjani ukuze ke abaculi bakithi bengadideki nathi singadideki sonke, sikwazi ukuthi ama-platform afana lawo sifundise siqwashise ke abantu abathize, ngoba masikhuluma kanje igcina usuku sifuna ukufundisa ukuthi into ethize yenzakalile ke omunye umculi umuntu omlandeli ofisa ukwazi ukuthi abaculi abamaskandi ke baqhubeka kanjani. Sifisa kube khona into abayitholayo kulokho. Sekahle ngazi ukuthi sisodibana ngokuza. Ngiyabonga.